Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we are going to learn there is and there are. Don't worry. This lesson is very easy. After this lesson, you will know when to use there is and there are. Let's begin. What do there is and there are mean? We use there is and there are to say that something exists or something is in a place. For example, look at this room. There is a chair. This means a chair is in the room. Look at the table. There is a book on the table. The book is on the table. Very easy. When do we use there is? We use there is for one person, one animal, or one thing. Remember, one equals there is. Let's look at some examples. There is a book on the table. There is an apple in the basket. There is a dog in the park. There is a teacher in the classroom. Can you see? Every sentence has only one thing. So we use there is. When do we use there are? Now let's learn there are. We use there are for two or more people, animals, or things. Remember, two or more equals there are. Examples. There are 2 books on the table. There are 3 apples in the basket. There are many students in the classroom. There are 5 birds in the tree. Now we have more than one. So we use there are. Easy, right? Let's compare. Look carefully. There is a cat. Only one cat. There are 2 cats. Now there are 2 cats. 1 cat. There is. 2 or more cats. There are. Another example. There is a flower. There are many flowers. Very easy. Common mistakes. Many beginners make this mistake. There are a book. This is wrong. There is a book. Another mistake. There is 2 cars. This is wrong. There are 2 cars. Always check the noun first. If you see one, use there is. If you see 2 or more, use there are. Remember today's lesson. One thing equals there is. 2 or more things equals there are. Very simple. Practice these sentences every day. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Ending. Congratulations. Now you know how to use there is and there are. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.